Xiao Juyan is the CEO of UASU Entertainment. Arish second generation. He only use niche. Brands and things that money can't buy. Anyway, allons I eat something he like. Can't escape my palm. Cheers. Long time no see. It's really annoying me lately. Several popular little fresh meat want to ask me out. I don't even know which one to choose. My dad just signed a top-class endorsement of our products. And it stick to me like this. Yeah, your necklace is so pretty. This was Princess Diana's favorite back then. Also romance niche stage is hard to grab. Hey, Juyan, it's not Zhou Jiashu above you. This one in the live stream. Although you don't know his name yet. But after the introduction of the home book, you will definitely like him very much. You will definitely. Always like him. He will be the love of all girls. Are you ready? What brand is this here? Romanit. To him, it is a niche European brand of Romance Stone. Romance Stone with original price of 2,950 yuan. Even is the live stream where you live only needs 998. Only 998. Ah, okay, you can watch it. Ah, it turns out that Juyan's. The luxury supplier is Zhou Jiashu, so pissed. What he give you tonight is also the audience. Lowest discount. Don't miss it. If necessary, place an order immediately. This is the goods brought by the old third lady. Okay, today the last item recommended in the accelerated live stream. The last one is definitely a blockbuster. What is it? Let's open it together. Here we go. What are you talking about? Pitch because of Zhou family tree. All the brandy like are rotten. Can you block him? Now is a harmonious society. Don't fuck him. What do you want? Sisters haven't slept yet, don't forget what to sleep for. Oh, teaser gift from Brother Shoes fan. Speed up to recommend this one for you today. The contract can definitely make your fan rich. Is that ready? Everyone knows us. Lost taste. Then speed up and recommend this car to you today. The same genuine product is also worth having. Countdown to 98 with acceleration. Hurry up. Sorry sisters, what about our panic buying today because there is a temporary situation, and it will be accelerated another day. Double return. He came to this company for Zhou Jiashu. The three sisters are not off work yet? Mr. Zhou Jiafu. I am Juyan, CEO of Bouquet Entertainment. I'm here to inform you. You have been bought by me. I'm your boss from now on. I'm your boss from now on. Are you okay, miss? Allons, you are obedi. I will try my best to satisfy all your requirements. This kind of thing. Don't do it yet, I'll arrange other work for you. Juyan, right? From the way you dress. Should be a good family. Eyeshadow George. Blush Rio lipstick color numéro 15 salty and light. Did you pull the switch just now? More in line with your unique personality. If he guessed correctly. You should be my fan. What? Are you mistaken, bro? Although you have a tough attitude. Beauty fund. You see I'm still a little nervous. Don't talk nonsense here. Why do you want to kill me? Why don't you let me live stream? Just trying to get my attention. But you are wrong, what am I wrong? Do you know how many people watch my live stream? Because of you they can't buy the business they want. Product because you affect my work. You should immediately apologize to your fan. Why should he apologize to you? He want to hold you a film and television song Samsung won't shame you. To a boss like me, you can have fun secretly, he apologize to you. Since you feel rich, you can do whatever you want. I also want to send me a film and television songs revives. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? I'm still advising you. Don't have some money at home. Just thinking about raising a live streaming host every day. Isn't it fragrant when it has money to do something good for society? Someone asked. Businesses do not buy farmers. Shanghai Farm Courtyard. Where are you going? He thought he could escape the palm of my mother's hand. Parents who don't keep stumped dog things. He don't have it. Didn't he make it clear yesterday? Although he moved it to you. But you can't force me to do something he don't like to do, can you? This Joe family tree is not easy to handle. How many big names want to cooperate with him? Then he likes the label of this small animal Sha. When the Red Paper broadcast became a 3-star star of film and television songs. Turn it off for me, Kai. If you don't work are required by the new company. You are in Cat Moon. The profit share will be deducted a liquidated damage if you want to get the money. Better listen to me. You are so cruel to deduct my money. Are you impressed with your new boss? If my boss is so capable, why do you want to support me and others? It's my boss who likes me. If you look closely, you are quite to my taste. Maybe you should try it. Let me tell you something, although I am your artist. But he also have a bottom line and a principle. Do you want? He won't like your love of money. Straight game. Regardless of him. Come with me to see the director tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. If you don't go. But there will be a deduction. No me won't care WAI. Why do you want to shoot this drama? It's the word feeling. This is. The director one family whose wealthy young grandmother wants to break away from marriage. This is my uncle, Inoa Joe Jiashu. Oh, dear. Civilizations can't meet, you see, go, go, go. You see, this is the material of the protagonist. How about this? Let's try the play first, shall we go to my back garden? You wait for me. Let's try it first. I just found out about the divorce. Play it, no problem. Director, I'm ready to start. Dear. You know. How much do I love you if you give up on me? I'll do to show you. Emotional. Emotional Eugene. Just got Stanislavskis. The essence of what? Get up, get up. Rich brother, wake up, this must be its stroke. Doctor, someone here has a its stroke. Give him artificial respiration first. Is there anything else uncomfortable? My personal doctor is always on call no. Then you better listen to me this month. Stop playing trick on me. Okay boss, he will definitely listen to you. You're here. Let's try again, it's just new. The scene where the marriage was not broken off. Let's try again, it's just new. I'm so happy that he didn't get divorced. Why am I so happy? What word? Oops, it's okay, it's okay. It doesn't matter if you can't remember the word, the key is to look at the state. He really can't read the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are 438, 438, 438. 54, 088, 54, 088, accelerate. Hey, that's great, you see, this is the protagonist. You know what, every time I even has a number on the emotional point. How much did you pay for this? There are many places that won't. Please take care of me in the future. Director, do you have time tonight? I want to ask you about the script. You open me. He can't afford to tell you. No one can use him, he still have a bottom line. Ah. À sample. Hey, don't miss it when you pass by, chez Ocean Film and Television. Fraud. Let's go back. What does this mean? Beware of film and television fraud anti. Kindly. Anti-fraud, come, and fill out the questionnaire. It's very heavy, okay? Do we need to help you? Does it work? Take out the cigarette in your hand, I don't want to see the cigarette in my eyes. But didn't the director reject him? Money can make a ghost run the mill. Then tie up the guide and hear that he want to make an additional investment to buy me. Well, you know, of course we know. He's a famous liar in the circle. You're not really investing, are you? Not yet. That Joe Giashu saved you. What to do with crook disease? Brother Shu told me yesterday that there is a problem with the script. Don't let scammers fool the hospitalization. Mr. Joe, this first item. When will you call me? He didn't call you. He don't like to eat it, and he have to be fooled by you. Ah, King. Director, long time no see, I'll invite you to dinner another day. I'm leaving first. You stink me out there. Okay now, Mr. Joe doesn't invest in my play either. I'll go first, okay? Then there is no negotiation. What's the matter? Do you want to practice? Wow. Wow. It's alright, why don't you chase after it? Let him go. Or because of you. Can Uncle Joe fight with others? Frustrated. Did you tell me that? You have to tell him. He apologized to him. Which one do you want? Just tease. He can't tell if he doesn't give you contract renewal. Hello. Hello fan in the live stream, I'm accelerating. Speed up today's lipstick color number 6 red. John Giashu, are you alright? That. The star Asha has something to say. Are you the senior sister crying? Let me see how you hurt. I'm sorry he was wrong, please forgive me. You have to forgive if you forgive or not. Anyway, forgive me and love you. Did you bring back a rap? Come to my house to sleep, you idiot. Do you think Uncle Catch will be happy with me? You gotta make him happy. Willing to accompany you from the bottom of my heart. How to make him willing? Hey, Brother Shu, someone is holding a star. Pretty good. You pat your conscience and say, do you really want to be a star? Why are you so young? Childish Julian, just a lady. What did they say to make me a big star? It's 3 points of blood. But he thinks so. Taking the initiative is there is no one in this world. For no reason to another person. This star must have his conspiracy. SAIDCAO didn't arrive, what's the matter if you don't want to be a star, come to my office tomorrow. Cancel what you SAID, don't go back. That's it, bye. I'm out of contract, let's have a toast. Then I'm unemployed. Mister, the target is not big anymore, everyone is vigilant. Tell my dad to get ready. The life password is always ready to come in. Yes, Joe. Hello, Uncle Jangyu. Joe Jiashu arrive at the office in 10 seconds. I'm sorry, why don't he go out first? I'm sorry, are you alright? I'm really alright. Old man, I'm ready. You see, it's okay to sign. It hurts over there. I've already told him. This piece is for you. He don't think it's a problem, just sign it. What are you doing here? I'm here to see why your company isn't over yet. Dad, what are you doing here? I'm here to see why your company isn't over yet. ESID you won't give up, you see. You signed a shitty live streaming host. Spend so much money now. The plan is about to miscarry. How do you want to mess around? Not bullshit. How much do you earn a girl? He never expected. You give me obedience. Just marry the person he arranged for you. Ah. He don't want to marry him. He don't know him at all and have no feeling for him. How could you do this to force me to marry myself? Wait a minute, what's the matter with Ju and John, who are you? I'm the shitty live streaming ghost you're talking about. Never means that yo mosquito, you go. Suge. Mister, Ju look pitiful, why don't we go? Don't go down the mountain. How can you eat someone? Who told you to eat my daughter? Dad. What did you call him dad? It's a misunderstanding. You just disgraced our family. These are two fathers. It should be a biological father and a disease. Yes, missy. Or go back with me. Get married and have kids, uncle, you can't do that. How can you force your daughter to marry? Leave it alone, he don't know what's going on. But he probably know it's not. If you continue to sign this contract, you don't have to get married? Then we'll do what you say. Don't you want to be a star? Who doesn't want to be a star? Hey. Europe ça. Hey, you're playing, you're screwed. Wipe it, the makeup is spent. He actually understand what it's like to grow up in this broken family. But it doesn't matter, he can help you. This is what you SAID. You must cooperate well. Allons, you don't let me play bad. Anything will do, don't worry. He will definitely make you a first-class big woman. That's not bad. Wrap this still in all colors. Not a film festival. You'll be a rich woman. Why do you hear this so awkward? Check out. Sorry, Monsieur. The card seems to be frozen. It seems that it is not very good for me to report to that rich woman, huh? Mom, my dad stopped my credit card. Isn't this pissed off by you? Can you ask him to open the card for me first? He need cash flow in the early stage of the company now. He heard you recently circled a live streaming ghost. Isn't that cool? Take it with you. He heard you recently circled a live streaming ghost. Isn't that cool? Take it with you. When did you gossip so much? I'll see what happened to my future son-in-law. Are you sure it's safe here? Let's go separately and wait until someone finds out. Then open a good room. Little couple, no. Oh. What's your name? What don't you know at my age? Aunt. Don't get me wrong, we are really a couple, right? Is it the kind that can't see the light? I'll report you if it's none of your business. Take care of yourself. When it arrive, report it, you report it. I mean. Peach, don't be angry, I'm not angry. I'm mad at my aunt. Why don't we go public? 5 million, 5 million. Let's make a bet, shall we? If we fall in love first, we will give it to each other. 5 million. What 5 million? Well, it's alright, get out of the car first. Oops shook. He really just talked to Peach, whispered. That's what he said. Clearly said likes me. What day? You kid is so not nervous, okay? Nothing anyway. Come. Ask brother cat in the group, I'll ask now in the group. Hey. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, let me talk. Actually. Really this thing is a coincidence. That Mr. CAO, I'll go first, or. Go take a shower, your clothes are all. This is not good. Go wash it and I'll get you clothes. Okay. Come on. Why are you in the room? What are you thinking about fixing light bulbs and giving you overtime pay? You've been very close to Mr.
Do
Tao
you know why
recently.
Tao gave my money to the star?
Just no. Mr. Tao and Ju have been best friends for many years.
Other.
The small mouse is quite strict, but he don't even say it when he asks. Are you going to see Mr. Shu tomorrow? Ah. You're taking care of me now, aren't you? What I'm asking is, do you have a work schedule for tomorrow? What must? Say uncle. Crystal Boy Love. The President's stand-in wife, Her Royal Highness, in pursuit of love. God. How does his name relate to yours? The same special personality eldest sister. Can you have some normal project you? Don't look at names. This is all love. The number of click on the product is high, and test data can be falsified. Can still do this. If you want to make me popular with this project, you'd better go home and dream. The door is over there, Joe Jiashu. You wait for me. Hello 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 here. Come here for me. Hey, why are you not talking about the project? What is it with buying? Isn't the next life just about talking about project? He promised to cooperate with you. You can't let me sell it either. Who asked you to sell it? Your books are on fire. How come? They are all my mother's best friends. There are many of them. Let her help. Hey Yanyan, this is the live streaming ghost from the last live broadcast. He's been signed by me now. But you want him to switch to film. Do you have any good project description? My dad invested a lot. They're all Hollywood project. Maybe not right for my dad. There are no projects to invest in the entertainment industry recently. Yield is too low. Then we probably won't be able to help. It's okay, then you want to do it myself. Thank you all for coming here. I'll explain. Wait a minute, it's dark. He was. Does the streamer well, why suddenly want to transform? Even if you want to transform, find a reliable company. You played with him. You play with him too, Jiashuo. What happened to someone else's company recently? We are looking for project and find the sisters here. He thinks something happened to his dad's company. Are you his best friend? What happened? He treats you as best friends, so trust you to ask for your help. It's okay not to scold him, but to mock him and ridicule him. We are kindly reminding you. Why don't you know what's good or bad? He don't want you to kindly remind. I'm afraid so. You still don't know why Ju Yuan Zhang didn't. Why that's not because you sold his favorite niche brand. That's his proudest taste. Sell it to you and become a mass brand. Okay, he will be there tomorrow. How did you go? Eh, what did you say to Uncle Joe? No, what did you say? Then why did he suddenly leave? He don't know what offended him. Look at this kind of goods you owe. Not very famous. How do you just leave? He don't think it makes sense here. He knows they love to joke. They pissed you off. He takes them to the room. Forget it, I'm fine. Don't worry. We can definitely find a good project. My friend just called me. Say we're going to change our eyes tomorrow. You will definitely meet a lot of great directors. How can those people go all the way to see a little artist like me? Then you have to try it. I remember you didn't study acting before? Director. I am that Julian. You still look like this, Director Liu. Hey, this is my newcomer Joe Dashu. Mr. Joe, our company account has been frozen. There are still several cooperative companies whose payment have not been settled yet, and our salary next month. I'll find a way about Yanyan and me. It makes you worry more, mainly I am worried. The circle around Yanyan, I'm worried about Yanyan. With those people every day. We'll learn bad things I'm worried about. He will take good care of Yanyan. Our relationship is so good. The future business will definitely be done by you. Or 2 hours late. We're going to be in-laws long ago, we still have to take pictures of each other. What you said. Yes, chasing. He will definitely work hard on this matter, but Uncle needs to help me more. He will help. Uncle needs to help me more. He will help. Dad. Sorry. There's no need for the family to say that, girl. Dad, can you unfreeze your credit card? I'm going to hold a little white face again, how can I talk to the official? A competition? Why did you mention him? Can you think about your family? Hurry up and get back with the official. I am a person not at all. I have something to do. Then I'll tell you. He will never be with the official. He won't take your money together. Who are you talking to? Give me a good night's sleep so late. Director. I am that Julian. You still look like this, Director Liu. This is my newcomer Uncle Joe. Mr. Joe, our company account has been frozen. There are still several cooperative companies whose payment have not been settled yet, and our salary next month. I'll find a way about Yanyan and me. It makes you worry more, mainly I'm worried. The circle around Yanyan, I'm worried about Yanyan. With those people every day. We'll learn badly. I'm also worried about dying. He will take good care of Yanyan. Our relationship is so good. The future business will definitely be done by you. Or 2 hours late. We're going to be in-laws long ago, we still have to take pictures of each other. What you said. Yes, chasing. He will definitely work hard on this matter, but Uncle needs to help me more. He will help. Hello, I'm here to find the director Liu Peicheng. The one who handed the information, right? Just put it here. He would like to introduce the actors to the director in person. Then go over there and wait. Don't go. Tomorrow the director will go fishing in Chingay again. Yeah, tomorrow is another day to relax. Director. How was your fishing today? Big Lobster likes. Oh yeah, ma bouquet. Entertainment would like to introduce you to the actors. Today is my time off. What if you have work to do? Please make an appointment with my assistant. Director, don't go, little girl. Be human before doing things. He suggests you learn to respect you first. What about the doctor? How to stop the car? There is a problem with the director's car. He will go down and take a look. Why is it you again, director? Just take a look at my actor profile. You're holding on. Thank you, director. Isn't this the Joe family tree? Well, to the Joe family tree. You are the one who made trouble on the red carpet that day. House look like a bastard. You take it, he won't use it. He advised you to this car. Director, the car is ready to go. What happened to Mr. Tao? The company's account is frozen UH. Is it because of what you did a credit guarantee? Long time no see, Peach. If you don't think about it, I'm going to find you. It's not my fault, it's mainly the two of us. Who called you my guarantor? You have no problem, it's all someone else's fault. I am also a victim. Then shut up. He only just made the mistake that every man makes. Stop talking nonsense. When will your debt problem be resolved? When will my asset be reopened? I have an idea. I have a netizen, he recommend another one. 500 as long as the debt is. It will double next year. I'll repay you well then. 500. You have to lend me another 100. Do you know how much he lost? Oops, I know you've always had me in your heart. Who are you? Shouldn't ask him. You don't beg him to see you detain? The big deal is to detain for 15 days. He'd rather that than see you beg him. Okay. Yan. Do you remember the bet we made before? You give me the card and I'll call you 5 million. Why is that? I'm with Liluo. Ah, you're with Liluo. No, you must be. Give me 5 million USAID is at ton purpose. Think so. I'm right. You're in love, right? I want to fall in love too. Dad. Can you give me 5 million first? Just like me, he will definitely find a way to pay you back after borrowing yours. You can pay how much you want. But I have a condition. What kind of condition? You have to get engaged to Guangxu first. We don't have to talk. Can you change the condition? He only asked for this one. Pretty awesome. Zhu Jiashu, come to my office and let's chat. First, you didn't join our company voluntarily. No need for any debt now. Adjusting to live is a good chance second. I have introduced you to a professional film and television company third. He wants the real surface. The company is out of money. Since the company has paid, there is also a public prison. Are you on altar? Since the company does not. The money is still signed with me at this time. Are you stupid? You are the richest man in the company. I have no money now, shouldn't he use me to make good money? You really want to be used by me. You listen to me. You are my boss and I make money for you. Live stream. Brothers and sisters, long time no see. Are you ready? Let's come together today. Crazy out of the loop. How about charming? Should be worth two people in normal life. You're right, Zhou Xiacheng is a good actress. He used to think the Zhou family was a small live streaming ghost. He won't take a look at the live stream delivery or anything. He didn't expect today. It's all about relying on his live broadcast to maintain his own things. Oh, my god. You and Zhou Jiashu have changed so much together. What are you doing? I'm his boss. No, be careful. Say nothing to be a family member and a male protagonist. Then you know the relationship between Zhou Jiashu and Liu Peicheng. What's the holiday? He didn't know when he first came. It was originally scheduled to be Zhou Jiashu. He don't know what happened to the male protagonist after that. Your news is more than my money. Think about it again. Ah, it seems that the director is driving the actor crazy. Really? Do you know who it is? Seems to be Cold Cough. Give me his contact information and I'll check it out. Can you apply it? We would like to know about Liu Peicheng's situation with you. Yes. That is. Why did you shoot Liu Peicheng's play after? Stop acting. Liu Peicheng is a pervert. I was dressed like a pussy that day. Zhou Jiashuo came to my office and let's chat. Mister. Wang
Hello,
Mister.
hello.
Wang.
Please
think about it and give me a chance, okay? I think this role is the best fee. It's still suitable for my color
corner.
has been determined for
Next
others.
time,
okay? Give you another chance. My price is negotiable and can be lower. Any lower. Look at this. I found out why you resist Liu Peicheng so much. What are you looking at? Liu Peicheng is a very strict director. He believes so many actors who have worked with him. You. I am full of lie. That old man is your mother. How much does it cost to marry? But I'm serious about you. I know how hard it took me to get close to Liu Fei. Did you take the role? Did he let you close? He thought he was helping you, since he missed me so much. In fact, in your heart, it's always been clear that you're running away. You coward. Xiaoshu, you are a waste again. Why? I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, Dage. You should thank the flowers if you keep singing like this. It's so hard, I haven't filmed for too long. Not anymore. How long has this love drama not been in love? No feeling at all. From now on we will. Pretend to be a couple for a day to find the feeling of love. The first lesson for couples is to eat, shop and watch movies. I'm gonna try this. Sheipaya, you just had a bad dream. Everything's okay. But any surprise coming to you. How about you find a little feeling of love? Numéro. Straight man. Don't you feel girlfriend? The kind that sit in your arm. Accelerated selection is professional. Have a feeling. I have a feeling. Thank you, I found the feeling. Go change your clothes. Go, go, go. The hottest girl is that you can still be a girl group. My movies have to be professional actors. I miss this measure. Liu Peisheng is a pervers. If you don't give Zhou Jiashu a chance, I'll expose this video. Let him audition tomorrow. Hey, what are you doing? What for? You have fought director Liu before. Phew, look at this line, they all say hello. Lean up. Yo, this is not Zhou Jiashu. What are you doing here, a small live streaming ghost? Filming? The crew is only suitable for real actors like me. Mr. Song, the director is waiting for you upstairs, please. Did you hear me, Mr. Song? Hey. Angry. Okay, director. Let it go. Welcome to my studio next. A grand introduction to everyone. The hero of my new movie. Guide. Next, he will give you a grand introduction. The hero of my new movie. Guide. Zhou Jiashu. Zhou Jiashu. To speed up. Thank you director. Didn't you say you was the male number 1 before? You can't play with me like that. You are the second male number 1. If you don't like it, you can stop acting. That's what it means director. Uncle. There is one person you want to thank for the role this time. I know you have to thank the director. Give me another chance and he will cherish it. Remember the girl who came with you last time? Without her. He won't choose you. It's too much to borrow money to take that Song Jian to the competition this time. You really give the boss my face. I still have to thank the boss this time. Hello mom without makeup. The money USAID you invested in your boyfriend. He already asked your dad to call you. Mom, what are you talking about? I have something to tell you now. When are you going to bring your boyfriend home? I'll say goodbye to you next time. Don't listen to my mother's nonsense. I'm looking for funds to steal a Liu Peicheng. The reason for making up nonsense. Does the boss have a boyfriend? I don't care if you pay for the maintenance. Let's out of the way. You hit my car, hurry up and lose money. Why are you so unreasonable? It's your house that's changing and it's my fault for not turning on the lights. Anyway, you hit my car anyway. You have to lose money. What's the matter, dear? Sorry, I've already called the police. The car recorder has recorded everything that just happened. Tell the police yourself in a while. He advised you to stop talking nonsense. Don't waste your time, husband. He was bullied, come on. Forge it. Let's go darling, just leave this to me. Who just made you my boyfriend? Isn't it you? You talk to him and your mother. Say help your boyfriend invest. Then he can't be this boyfriend for nothing. What do you want to eat today? Haven't finished drinking yet. Sister, you are drunk. How much do you want to drink? I'm not drunk. You cheapskate for sure. I'm afraid I'll drink up your wine money. You cost me thousands of dollars. What more do you want? A man like you is. No woman will like it. He don't like others thank you. Hey. Where are you at your house? It's like 5 o'clock. You got it. Can you do it? I can. Then I'll watch you go in. Zhou Jiashu, will you make money for me? He will make money for you. Throw a big tree. Do you like me? It's hard to throw. Do you like me? E. From now until 12 o'clock tonight. I am your girlfriend. Have you found any feeling of love? I'll take you to eat something delicious. It doesn't stink at all, come and taste it. After eating less. Don't step on me and sleep slowly. Then I'll take you in. Hey. Sister, you are too heavy, you are too heavy. Hello. Yeah, Dad. He drank too much today and they just took me home. Yan Yan, are you fake? No, you are fake. Kimao. Home. You know what you are doing. For endangering public safety. Sentenced to more than 10 years in prison. He have called the police. Hurry up. Roll. Thank you, you pulled me again. Let me tell you my story. When he was studying in the UK 4 years ago. At that time. You fell in love with a girl. Alright, he lost my purse. She help him. Hello, thank you. I'll invite you to dinner another day and I'll save your phone number. Your name is Julian. Are you Wang, the one who lived on Changcheng Road when the state people were young? How do you know me? I'm Guan Ziyu. He changed my name in high school. You don't remember me. I remember it's you, it's me. Wow, you look so much pretty now. Come and thank the audience, we make a fortune. Grandpa is not what you think. It's not what you think. After now. Ruined it with a laugh. What about me? He also dated a few girlfriends one after another. But he can't forget him. He is the love of my life. So I'm back. So you really talked to that girl that night. What happened? He really don't remember. But he checked afterwards. Nothing happened that night. But how should he explain what he saw with his knife? Then he wish you all the best this time. Eh, the car crashed into such a low of wine? Okay, you. Call the police. Eh, I really envy you for having such a father. Endless money and endless men. Why doesn't Joe Giashu answer the phone? How come? So you're waiting for the Oldham show? He didn't wait for anyone. It's my birthday party, not welcome. As the head of the city's young George. Miss Joe's birthday party will close a certain film. He haven't seen the face for many days. Haven't seen you for days. He don't want to erase each other and engrave. Eh, what about Brother Shu? You are his assistant, why are you asking me? He haven't seen Brother Shu for a day. How come? Yan Yan. He heard about your signing for Joe Gia. If you want to piss me off, there's no need to waste your dad's money like this. Don't put gold on your face. He told him to care about you and coxon internet celebrity. Joe Jiashu is not from the same world as us. Don't be fooled by him. He's not coming on such a big day today. Really for that old saying. Bitch ruthless actor unreasonable. I'm just worried that you're hurt by him. Wasted time. Generous son. I will love my heart. Joe Jiashu is on a business trip. Time bomb. Just say it. Alcoholism is brave enough. Mom. Are you here to see my jokes? How many times have I told you? He woke up drunk in a bar right here. He don't even remember what happened in the middle. You still. Is it my mother? Why don't you believe me? He believe what's the use of you. You need the police to believe you. Go talk to the police. Am I okay? It's okay, what happened in the middle? He just checked the surveillance. It's all dead ends and nothing is photographed. Drive to avoid all surveillance. A sober person can't do it, let alone drunk. I'm sure you're not drunk and driving. There must be something wrong here. The card in the driving recorder. What card has been taken? Don't they all upload directly to that now? Upload to cloud. There is someone here. Isn't this obviously a frame-up? He seemed to have seen Tess eyes somewhere. He remember now. I am in the Joe family Shu Songjian. We have found you guilty. Evidence dead on go you. Don't slander me. The driving recorder has been photographed. Do you have a card? No card? No card? It wasn't taken by you. You slander me like this. I'm going to sue you. Don't deceive people too much. Don't go too far, you hit me. What a bad fight. Not gonna make you a lot of money. End. Hey Yan Yan. This time you have to thank me. Company kids are making trouble outside. You have to run B1. The police said you had someone turn themselves in. Thank you, mister. Guan. Every time there is a crisis, you will be there. Thank you. No need, I'm for him too. Grandpa's future affairs will be handled by me. Grandpa, you owe me a lot of willfulness. What kind of friends were we in the UK before? All in all, thank you for not disturbing. Goodbye. Boss, do you have any other orders? You are jealous. He is one of my friends and my attention. Just friends. And Art was my ex-boyfriend. But they broke up long ago. 10 minutes left. You still have time to wish me a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Must have been ready. He thought it was too late to give it to you today. What are you doing here? I want to take a stake in your company. I've never seen so brazen. Men always have to read 1,000 sales to decide where to board. Coincidentally, women too, and you passed me. Yan Yan. You see. I've given up on changing my face. You're really shameless. Fire is pure. Zhou Jiashu, remember to knock on the door next time you come in. Otherwise, it would be bad if you saw something. It's never a coincidence that I'm here. Break up. I have something to ask your true love uncle. Our dad told us to go home for dinner tonight. I'm waiting for you at our house. Where are you going to go back with me tonight? Go home. Go home. Not available. For the future of the company, you must cooperate with me. Parent, uncle, good aunt. You don't look like a rude child. He ran away from a family gathering without saying hello. Sorry, uncle. Interrupting your family reunion. But a grandpa boyfriend. He still want to bring him back safely. He fished you out for your hand in the orange. It's okay if you're not grateful. Come and grab my girlfriend. Mister, those character is amazing. I've clarified about the huge thing. Naturally, there is also Mr. Guan Tianyan, my girlfriend now. Mr. Guan, please pay attention to your words and deeds. Yan Yan, you think so too. Think this is by selling you. Can the trash that makes women's money bring you happiness? Yan Yan. He can give you what others can give you. Change the place where you want to perform the Mountain Alliance VOW. This is our house. He don't welcome you. It's all family, don't hurt your peace. And, don't be deceived by Zhou Jiashu. He heard that Zhou Jiashu have a severe phobia of intimacy. Very bad relationship with family. I've been in a juvenile detention center. Why are you in a juvenile detention center? Look like he stabbed his father with a knife. What nonsense. This is you stop. Didn't you promise to act with me? Why are you leaving again? He can't act anymore. Lord Guan is right. I'm not with you. He don't care what they say. Then they say it's true. He believe in you. Joe Young? Yes, what's the matter? Oh boss. He want to talk to you about cooperation. Who are you? Don't you know that kidnapping is illegal? Oh big brother. Big brother go in. If you don't cooperate. Then I'll go somewhere else. No, goody cooperate, we cooperate. You say. Our boss is calling you. Now you have two options. The first is to be talked to death by us. Don't burn me. Brother, don't burn me. The second is to kill the Joe family tree. Joe Jiashu killed. It doesn't matter, kill Joe Jiashu, the tree must be good in the second week. Then after it's done. You'll get a sum of money, won't you? But from now on all your action. Listen to our command. Do you understand? He understand, no problem. It's okay. So what happened to make? You disappeared from the public for so many years. This is from me. After starting to know by Feng Food. Hope today he can reveal the truth. Through my past. Hope all viewers. Can be a warning. Hey. Let you go. Stand there, let you stand there. I'm a man too. Can you afford to lose such a big person? So he drank too much. He started. Puis the topic lead in the direction that does not stand against the Joe family tree mother and child. MS. Beyond comprehensive. You can't go out without my permission. Keep an eye on him. Look at Tez account. Click in and the name is all garbled. It's all inexplicable retweets. And the initiators of test topic are marketing account. Does this mean that someone is behind it? So what should we do? Grandpa. He saw crippled people in the original family in the tree. A son who grows up with a lot of mental illness. He get off work early. What should he do if my lord and miss haven't eaten for today? What should I do if my lord and miss haven't eaten for today? Yan, can you stop making trouble? Dad. I love him. No matter how many times you fight, I'll find a way to escape. Waiter. Have dinner with us early. Hey, guess what? Zhou Jiashu is fucking Befeng Mei. Hey, Xiao Kai is a new second generation. Hey, you don't know at your age. The play there has acted step by step. And have to go through several movie queens. But when you get married later, you will be attracted. Brother Shu has never had a good relationship with his mother. He have been with Brother Shu for so many years. I've never seen him come to see Brother Shu once. Brother Shu never mentioned him to me. In that case, it's not easy to get him out and get married. Yan, are you sure? Add up. Don't tell me such a big thing. I think this is difficult. I can't handle this kind of thing. What am I going to say about holding the shaft? Then I'll dress up first. Is anyone there? Hey ma'am. Are you at home? It's all useless, and it's still at his concern. Take what you like. Nothing of value anyway. Mr. B, you misunderstood. I'm a reporter for Entertainment Weekly. I would like to invite you for an exclusive interview. You don't mean, do you mean? I'm a reporter for Entertainment Weekly. I would like to invite you for an exclusive interview. Well, don't mean, do you mean? Do you have any document? Yes. Come and sit. So rich. Also came out a reporter for a dream. The response is quite fast. Do you think he would believe such a lie? But you look a lot like him. I'm talking about my son Zhou Jiashu on the wall. Auntie, how did you see it? You stare at the picture on the wall as soon as you come. I guess it must be you. Auntie, I'll just say it. I believe you also know that Zhou Jiashu recently. There have been some very bad rumors. I would like to ask for your help and clarify later. Isn't that what this circle is like? Obviously to make money. Not for ideals. A man and a woman fall in love together. Not a good friend. Very hypocritical. Not auntie. Letters from home are really bad recently. That Joe Yang slandered your mother and so much. Are you indifferent? A time will dilute everything. Wait until there is bigger news tomorrow. No one pay attention anymore, just take advantage of this. Wouldn't it be nice to dispel this kid's star dream? Aunt. You are using your own mistake. Punish your son. It's okay to tell you. 25 years ago. I met someone. Alright, department, get ready. Prepare for action. A generous I say now. But there are thousands of people in my heart who are reluctant. Thousands of people are worried. I know. Nonetheless. I hope you can too. Come back safely. What's the matter? Did you forget the word? Excuse me. I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous. What's your name, teacher? What did he teach you? Beside, what are you nervous about? Do he look scary? Teacher Bay, I am. He didn't mean that. I'm kidding you, silly boy. Okay, let's get started. Teacher Bay, I don't quite understand my child. You can't just read the lines now. You have to listen. I really feel what the other person is saying to you. You have to really listen. Oh, that's it. Is there anything else you don't understand? Then what about you? Why did you marry Joe Young? Then he got pregnant. And they got a movie deal to go to Hollywood. Before he left, he promised to marry me when he came back. That's when you got pregnant, yes. But he is a very professional man. His career is more important than me and the kids. He also saw through. He don't want to be his stumbling block either. Just let go. In order to have a baby smoothly. When he got the approval of Shenzhen, he dated Joe Young. Hello Mr. Bay, you just acted so well. Aren't you just? The guy who just played the scholar in the show? Yes. I am also the screenwriter of our show. I have liked you for many years. Glad you can play your female lead. It's my pleasure. Can you do me a favor? Okay. Lawyer Bay. About you. I can come forward and help him clarify. But you have to promise me one condition. Keep Joe Jiashu away from the entertainment industry. Why didn't you discuss with me in advance to find my mother? Then I'm doing it for you too. Hello everyone, I am. After the mother of the Joe family got married and had children, he faded out of the entertainment industry. Joe Young is very dissatisfied with this without his income. Frequent drinking and gambling. Got drunk and fought us both. I'm going to the live stream now to find my mother. Hurry up and do what you do best. Pull the switch. But you really can't say anything. It was also because he saw in the newspaper that you cheated on your marriage. I've been cuckolded. He hit you when he was angry. My son Joe Jiashu actually stabbed me. Did you see this? It's such a big stab here. Jump at this. Well, today our two teachers will take a break for a while. Mister, this is a wine to be delivered. Mom. How many times have I told you that I don't need you? Tube. Yo, it's not a wolf cub and a vixen. You keep your mouth clean. I'm not curious. Why haven't I seen you like this? Cheeky person. Why do you still have the face to appear in front of me and my mother? You wouldn't have been a screenwriter back then. I want to rely on my mother's fame. You forgot about abandoning your first wife. After my mother gave birth to me, there was no money for you to eat, drink, no money. Gamble. You forgot how you eat or impress. I've never seen you eat soft rice like this. There is no one who will come after eating the barren land. Who do you say is soft rice? Yes, I did. It's you say is soft rice, I'm talking about you. Now live is those accelerated report on his stepfather. Thank you big brother for sending the big son. Don't eat at all. Is it? Let the art begin. Now the hot search list is full of entries about trees. But mostly negative. Go on like this. Not only can I not even be an actor, the live broadcast can't continue. The crux of the matter now is to find the biological father of multiple families. The only way to solve this is for him to come forward. Don't worry, I gave me an theory. Director Liu, hello Zhou Jiashu. There is too much black material, our cooperation will end here. What's up? Liu Peisheng said that you have too much black material, which affects the sound of the crew. Okay? The big deal is that he won't be an actor anymore. I'll work for you. He didn't find a clue about your dad. Are you nervous to see your biological father this time? It doesn't feel like he haven't seen it in such a big day. Manny brought you a baby awesomeness. Are you kidding me once? Brother Tree. He didn't play you, but Zhao pays your man. You don't want me to act now. Uncle, we are really looking for you this time. He would like to ask. Do you know Befeng Mei? Befeng Mei, of course he know her. He think we were still acting together. Are you familiar with him? Not familiar with this. After all, people are movie queen, right? I know you in that photo. Oh, this and that. The best actor of light, the director used to think that he looked like him. It's very similar, so he also used him as stand-in. That's the last name Lee. Yeah. What did you say? Okay, got it, okay. Okay, the one. What are you doing here? Let's cut the crap. I have important news for you. Zhou Jiashu gave birth to your son. Hope you can help him. Go check it out for me. Xiaoshu, I am your father, this is. Take a look at the compensation he give you mother and son. Compensation. Is it great to have money? 200 million in cash. And 30% of my company's shares. Although not much. But it's also my little thought. Hope you and your mom can accept it. He just remembered now why he went early. Wait a minute, you only have one condition. Change your name back to change your last name. Did you feed me for a day? Dad heard you're going to make a shareholding change. Why is he here? He read it wrong, this is your brother. Ah. It turned out to be my brother, so he divided this property. You just turned the equity into him. Wang Shu. Test things, it's all you're doing, don't think he don't know. Now the professor is your brother. You hurry up and stop me. Dad, are you confused? When he married Julian. Not all of their Zhou family's property is yours. Wait until your brother married Julian. The Zhou family's property is still prosperous. What is his Zhou family tree? He can't compare to that hunter. How much do you think you have? Your partner. Sick is on my face. How many cats do you have? You know you're here to reflect on. Super acceleration. Ask Director Liu, is there anything else to come to us this time? He hopes the family can come back to play the male lead. He thought our partnership was over. Director Liu, it's not that someone has been found to replace the family member, but this time is different. He wants to repay. What torpor? He was a miscarriage back then. When he was lucky enough to get the inscription of the Emperor of Movies. That's why he have my dream today. It's Eguan Best Actor. Cooperative Game PT. The best actor has been attracted for many years. So this time he sincerely invites the family. Participate in my play to make up for my regret. Then let's think about it. Okay. If you have considered it, please contact me immediately. Thank you, Director Liu. Yan, why don't you go? He really want to go. He don't want you to go anyway. Why? Don't ask and terminate the contract. But you have to promise me one condition. Keep Zhou Jiashu away from the entertainment industry. Baby, calm down. Shall we have a good talk? Who is not calm? I'm watching you patient for a while. Say no, you say no later. Now move out a thermal insulation mirror. Who knows what is thinking? Baby, before you. So hard. Push me into display. Now people agree, people are happy, right? Why don't you let me go? I'm your boss and you can't go if I don't let you go. Cancel the contract if you go. Say it again. Termination. Be serious, tell me again to terminate the contract. Zhou Yang, when will you pay back the money? My big brother, he have money. He really have money and my son is a family member. He's making a lot of money now, you know he know. God ask him to borrow money, okay? I'll pay you back that money right away. You think he don't watch TV? Don't read newspapers? That fucking Joe Jiachu is not your son at all. People give you repaying most of the gambling debts is enough form. Just ask you. Oh, there's another way form. Wait a minute, he still have a way, he still have. There are people who can ask for money. Wang Yi. Eldest son. You call me again, believe it or not, I like you to death. Hey yes yes oh yes 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 you. Can you lend me some money? People are fucking dead, you think I'm deaf? So. Ici your lamps are sound. He sold it to a fishing boat à Labore for some money. There's nothing to negotiate, brothers, go up there. Let us wish the hospital together. Lean movie reality confession boot. Next, he would like to introduce our famous director Liu Peicheng. Hey, on the right is the man from our movie. Numéro 1 Zhou Jiachu. On the left is our man number 2 Song Jian. Applause please. Hey, Uncle Jia, do you have time for a while? Come to my office when you have time. Try a play, or it won't work well. Director Liu will scold me to death. Director? He asked me to go to his room to audition. Ah, come to my room to try it tonight. What are you shooting about? Yes, idea the director is great. Eh oh. What do you want? He want awesome. What do you mean, come here to see the scenery? Give me a chance. He didn't have a choice before. Now he want to be a good person. Okay then you tell the judge. But why didn't he be a good person? That is to let me die. Sorry. I'm a police officer who knows. Good gun is props. Hey director, we don't have this budget. Let's change the play, get ready to start. Hello Mr. Zhao, a heavy shot today hurt you. He brought a good bottle of wine here to match you with a story. Go back to rest early. Do you still blame me? It's okay, it's for filming. It's not the past, don't worry about it. Brother, if you really don't blame me, give me face. Let's fall in love. Teacher Zhao. I think you act very well. It will be a big hit in the future. I'm not very good at drinking, so it's okay to drink less. Feel free, feel free. Teacher Zeng, why don't you add a WeChat? He will contact you often. I'm going to get a cell phone. What's the matter with you? You can directly WeChat me. You're welcome. Several of these hit shows have been on TV recently. Teacher Song participated in the performance. Teacher Song's acting skills are really worth learning. Come to Mr. Song. How about we try this glass of wine? Teacher Joe. Teacher Joe. Boy, it's the same as. Let me out. Let me out, let me out. Songjian crew sexually harassed mal numéro 1 Joe Jiashu. Report Songjian with your real name online, if you don't. Tell me how. What's the matter? I'll send this video to my agent immediately. The company official is the official uncle. You unfilial son. You can use this kind of denial method for your own brother. Follow me and arrange for you to go to Ganguoja now. Without my permission. Don't come back with me. I will arrange for you now. Go to Steel Tendon without my permission. Don't come back to me. Starring. I'm going to Congo soon. I want to tell you something. You say we are actually the same kind of people. It's all the kind of desperate for love. Desperate person. Only this time he lost. But next time I'll win you back. Guan Shu. I love Joe family letter. Don't bother us again. Let the past go. Don't be sad. Are we family after all? What are you doing? Didn't you cancel the contract? Didn't you break up? He can't control what he do after he terminates the contract with me. He can't control you, who else?